Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. First we need to open the Contacts app. To do it, swipe up on the screen to open the app menu and here tap on the Contacts icon. Now let's tap on this icon right here to open the menu. Select Manage Contacts. Here tap on Import or Export Contacts. Then tap on Import. Select the SIM card. And here we have list of contacts saved on our SIM card. We can select which ones we want to copy. For example, tap on the ones you want to select, like this. You can also tap on this button right here to select them all or unselect them. Once you're done selecting the contacts, tap on Done. And then select the phone because we want to move our contacts to the phone and tap Import. As you can see, it says 3 contacts imported. Tap on OK. Let's go back to our contact list. As you can see, here we have our contacts. And that's how you copy the contacts from the SIM card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.